Holy shit! 80, my partner's hanging on the flatbed of a truck going eastbound.
It looks like something straight out of an action movie. An officer clinging to the side of a moving truck, fighting to stay alive as it speeds through city streets. But this is not a movie. This is real. On March 12th, 2026 in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Milwaukee police officers, along with a Department of Corrections agent, set out to locate a wanted suspect. That suspect was later identified as 35-year-old Jonathan Otto. Otto was wanted for a parole violation, tied to a prior assault and strangulation case. Officers located him near the 1900 block of South 12th Street. What should have been a controlled arrest turned into a life-threatening encounter in seconds.
Mr. Otto, he's in the back. Get out! Shit! Fuck! Get out the car!
Get the fuck out the car!
Get out! Shit! You better stop! Stop! Fuck this!
Holy shit! 80, my partner's hanging on the flatbed of a truck going eastbound on Rogers from 12th Street. White flatbed.
Oh, fuck! Stop! Stop! Fucking Florida! Stop the fucking car! Stop the fucking car! Stop the fucking car! Stop! I can't jump off!
As the truck speeds away, a voice from inside can be heard, the suspect's girlfriend, telling the officer to jump off. That moment, captured on camera, but the officer responds, he can't, still holding on. With no safe way off, the situation reaches a breaking point, and the officer fires.
80 for the air. My partner's on the side of him. Alright, he's going east on Forest Home. South on 14th, going towards Rogers. My partner's still hanging on the side of the flatbed.
I'm going to fucking shoot you! Stop it! Stop the fucking car! He did it! Otto, stop! Stop it now! Otto, stop! No, you don't gotta fucking shit! Stop it, Otto! He's gonna shoot you! Stop! Are you done? 2180, shots fired. Sudden medical.
2180, shots fired. Sudden medical.
Jonathan Otto was shot during the incident and was later pronounced dead. Public records show Otto had prior encounters with law enforcement, including multiple incidents where he fled from officers during attempted stops. In this case, what began as an arrest for a parole violation escalated into a moment where an officer was hanging onto a moving vehicle with his life on the line. Under Graham versus Connor, force is judged based on what a reasonable officer perceives in that moment, not what is discovered later. Under Tennessee versus Garner, Deadly force is justified when there is probable cause to believe a suspect poses a significant threat of serious injury or death. And in Scott versus Harris, the Supreme Court recognized that officers may use deadly force to stop a dangerous fleeing suspect when lives are at risk. The moment an officer is dragged or attached to a fleeing vehicle, it becomes a deadly threat instantly. There is no time to think, only time to act. Decisions are made under pressure, with survival on the line. This is Texas Safety Watch, where we break down what legally matters and what does not, to the men and women who wear the badge and make those decisions in real time. We honor your service. Stay aware. Stay safe. We will see you on the next case.